There's something magical about this moment when you step outside and the world feels still, calm, but alive. I didn't plan on this today, but as I walked into the garden, I saw them peeking through the green little rubies, the juiciest tomatoes I've grown all summer season. And it's the beginning of the summer. Oh my goodness. Come on, we'll pick them together. I want you to feel this, the way the air smells after watering, the softness of soil underfoot, the quiet joy of growing something with your own hands. And wait till you see how juicy they are. We're gonna go inside and wash them. And yeah, they're so juicy. Stay with me. Every morning when I come out here and I pick the sweetest tomatoes I've ever tasted straight from the vine, this garden gives back more than I've ever expected. These babies were just picked seconds ago, and honestly, nothing tastes better than this. So satisfying. These are fresh from the garden. Look at these, grown with love. Come on, finish picking with me. I love it. It's so peaceful out here. And this is my real morning routine, coming out to see what is in the garden. It is a beautiful weekend. It's a time for us to reset. And it's such a pleasure. These are simple joys in life. It's calm out here, it's bliss, and yes, I needed this. It's so easy to start your own home garden, and look, everything, it's so beautiful. I did this in the beginning of the spring, and I did it all under $20. What a great makeover. And I did a little DIY, and this works. I just allowed my tomato vines to climb up this fence and tied a little bit of string that I had laying around. Yep, that's my DIY. It's a wonderful, wonderful upgrade in the garden, and you can do this. If I can do it, you can do it. You won't believe this. It's so worth it to be able to come out and harvest and pick your own fruits and vegetables, and then also to provide an organic ecosystem for nature, living things outside. It's something that I enjoy doing for my family. I do this on a tiny budget. And look at this. Look at this big impact that it's making. I'm providing fresh fruits and vegetables for my family. It's an instant calm being out here, connecting one with nature. And yes, just yes, I love it. All right, come on, let's get back to those tomatoes. There they are. I love this. This is amazing. Look at all this. I planted them from seed just weeks ago, and now they're bursting with flavor. I pick a handful every morning, and honestly, this is better than any grocery store. Let me show you how. Yes, I'm harvesting them. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to go inside and to rinse them and to start snacking on them. I love this. Thank you so much. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Blissful Spaces. This is where I garden, cook healthy meals, and other favorites. And I'm so glad that you joined me today. Yes, we are picking what we grew in our own small space urban garden. Yes, this is survival. This is prepping. This is preparing. And this is what it's like, the joys of gardening and picking I love it. I love it. Stay tuned for more harvest videos. We've got so much growing in the garden, and I will share each and every clip with you. I'm so honored and humbled. Thank you. And if you haven't already, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. This helps the YouTube algorithm push out my videos. Hey, what is my goal? To be monetized. Can you believe it? It's been so long. And I know I'm busy. I have a work schedule just like you. But I am looking forward to retiring, and then I will be able to share beautiful content with you every day. This is my hobby. This is my joy. And I'm just sharing what I love to do. Grow my own organic vegetables in my own homestead on my own land. The joys of growing your own food. Stay loving, be kind, and I'll see you in my next video.